Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode here at Tribal Trades, coming at you from the great state of Florida. One hell of a drug. And I do want to welcome you to the channel wherever you are tuning in from around the world. Thanks for watching today. We're going to talk about how to make money in this market. What kind of market is this right now? It's a down market. How to make money in a down market. How to make money in any kind of market. Down, up, sideways, you name it. You can make money in this market, and teaching people how to do this every single day, all week, learning and growing. You can learn too if you want to find out how. Stay tuned. Before we do that, smash the like button. This does help get this channel out to more people, and of course, and does help support the channel, as does all of your wonderful comments that you leave as well. So I appreciate that. Okay, so we're going to jump into, well, first of all, I shared this on the Discord. I love this from Max Gaines. He was in Florida for 5 days this week on a small trip, and through the teachings of being able to short the market and make money on the way down, they were able to make money, $800 sitting in the sun. And I know people have made a lot more than that we've been teaching in the Discord, how to make money on the way down. And so if you look very carefully here, like at the Tau chart, pretends a Tau, one of my favorite tokens and projects, only 21 million supply, mined like Bitcoin, has its own halving, not financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Are you not entertained? Okay. And so there is a little tool here, because you can say, well, look, how can you make money? You know, it topped out here in around December at about $700 odd, and has since been just dropping all the way down. And some people will say, well, I wish I'd bought it down here when it was around 260. Look at how much money that I would have made. Well, guess what? You can make that same amount of money by buying it here and opening a short all the way down to the downside. Now, sometimes it helps to flip the chart. What do you mean by flip the chart? Well, you can go down this little setting down here, just down here. You can click on it. There you go, little setting, and click on the settings, and you can click invert scale. Now that is going to turn the chart upside down, and it's going to turn your world upside down. Imagine buying down here. What have I said to you? You can buy here and sell up here. You can sell up here and profit just like the market is going up, except it's going the other way. You're being so conditioned that you can only make money if the market goes, oh, the markets are down. Oh no, my investments are down. What's going on? Some people in the Discord who learned how to short are like, the markets are down. Woohoo, let's go. I'm making money today. And so this is the kind of mentality that can help you. So look at what's happened here. And you can trade like this. You can invert. You can have when you're doing shorts, you can flip the charts upside down and you can get your entries. You can say, this is my entry here, coming off support at 430, and then sell all the way down. And then you have a retest, and then you have a little deviation there. And then you have this capitulation event down to around all the way down to 216 there. So you can make money on the way down by learning to short the market. I teach that in the Discords. Where are the Discords? They are in the description of this video. You might need to click the more button that will pop out. There's the Tribal Trades Discord. We have the Leverage Lounge set up there specifically for people to learn how to short the market. There are tons of people who are doing it, who know what they're doing, people who are learning it. And there are people in there that are making money and posting wins because they're making money when the market goes down, and they'd never done it before. A week ago, they'd never even tried it, never even attempted it. 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, a month ago, some people in there making thousands of dollars every single week because they have simply taken the time to invest in themselves and learn how to make money on the way down. If you're just a trader that can make money on the way up, you can only make money when the sun is shining. But you want to be making money in any kind of market. At the click of a button, you can get up in the morning, and it doesn't matter what the market condition is. You can say, I'm trading today. Market's down. Great. I'm making money. Market's going up today. Great. I'm making money. Market's going sideways today. Great. I'll make money going up and going down as well at any time. And so the Tribal Trades Discord is currently closed, but you can get on the wait list there. If you send me an email, you can get on the wait list for that. We will be opening that again for people to come in and to learn. But in the Stocks with Josh Discord, I do weekly classes in there on leverage and shorting. And you can short responsibly. You don't have to go, oh, no, isn't leverage dangerous? I'll lose all my money. Yeah, if you don't know what you're doing. And you can also short with 1x leverage, which is like a spot purchase. Now, there are still risks and dangers, and that's why there is education and training available and some hand holding in the Discord with live sessions. I do live trading sessions where you can register. We do it via Zoom, and you can ask questions. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You can if you want to as well. And you can ask questions live. You can speak with me like we're having a conversation. Some people like doing that. Some people like just putting the questions in the little chat box, and we can answer those as we go. And we do those sessions every single week, teaching people how to make money no matter what market you are in. We show you how to get set up, which exchanges to get onboarded with, how you can do it, how to get money there, and how to get it set up every single step of the way. And all of those recordings, all those live sessions are recorded. So even if you miss them, if it's not in your time zone, you can watch them at a later time. And we do try and spread the times around to match all the different time frames that we have going there. But of course, that's how you can do that. So you can sign up for the Stocks with Josh Discord. I have my own Crown Traders channel in there. I share all the education, insights, resources, obviously the live trading sessions that is there. And so, of course, you can learn how to do all of that. We have a Monday training that's going to be happening in the Stocks with Josh Discord. And then we have regular trainings in the Tribal Trades Discord. And, of course, we have the Leverage Lounge in the Tribal Trades Discord there. So all those links are below. The Stocks with Josh Discord is open. You can sign up and get started in that today. And many people are signing up every single day and learning how to make money when the market goes down, shorting the market. And you can, obviously, when the market shifts and the trend shifts, you can make money going up as well. Very important. But, leverage trading is a skill, and it can be very helpful, obviously, when the market is going up as well. We have people in there using $100 to make $1,000 every single week. That's how leverage trading can work if you are responsible, set stop losses, manage your risks, and learn how to do it. And there is a method in there that I teach that is bringing a lot of people success. Okay, so if we look at Potenza Tau, for example, in this, as we're looking, if we go actually to the smaller time frames here, you can actually see that you can actually short the market based off the 20 EMA beautifully here on the 4 hours. And you don't have to be a day trader. You don't have to sit at your computer all day. You can open up a trade here. I mean, let's look at a trade that could have been opened up, for example, here on support of the 20 EMA. Remember, we've inverted this at 302, and then you could just move your stop loss to the 20 EMA. So anytime you go below that, you get stopped out in profit, okay? And we teach you how to do that as well. And then as it moves, you just leave the trade open. In fact, you could have opened that trade on the 6th of March, and you wouldn't really have closed that trade until the 10th of March, 4 days later. So you can see this system and trading suits anybody. Anybody can trade with the system. You get in at support, or this is actually resistance, of course, because we'll flip the chart. I know I'm doing everybody's head in right now. There it is there. It's the, where was the 6th of May there? 6th of March there. So there it is at resistance. You get in at resistance and you open a position there, and then you make money all the way to the downside. Let's flip it upside down. Again, some of you might get so excited about shorting the market, you might forever put your charts like this, because it does help if you can flip your charts upside down. If you want to turn your world upside down, you've got to flip your charts upside down, let me tell you, okay? So there is the difference there. Now, of course, again, we're coming back to this area here, and you could possibly open up a new position at around $249 and again short it there. But of course, this is, if you look at it, if this was a price was going up, you would say this price possibly is now going to go down because we have a higher high and a higher low and a lower high. So a high and then a lower high, And then if we put in a lower low here, then we could go to the downside, which is really the upside, which is you would flip, and we teach you how to use the Uno reverse button, or the reverse button, where you can flip your trade from short to long if need be. And then you can flip your chart from short to long, just like that. Okay, because what we have here is we have a low, and then we have a higher low. Now, we don't have a higher high yet. We do need to get above this candle over here, for example, on this chart. So it just shows you how powerful turning your chart upside down can turn your world upside down. I know some people who made more money in the bear market capitulation than they did in the entire bull market, and they just rode the short all the way down to the bottom of the bear market, flipped long when the new bull market started. So bear market stopped and bull market started, and off they went in the other direction there. Okay, so you can see how that can work. Now, if you want to trade on shorter time frames to get in and out of as many trades as you can kind of drop to the hour time frame. You can drop to the hour time frame there, and you can see that there are plenty of opportunities if you drop to the hour time frame. Again, you can short off the 20 EMA there, rejection there, and you can make money to the downside on this nice move down here. And that took many hours, from 8 a.m. in the morning, and you could have set to take profit at 6 p.m. at night. You could have gone to work for the day. You could have set up your stop loss. You could have set up your take profit zone, and then you could have come back from work saying, oh, I made money today. You got your money working for you. What do they say? I think Warren Buffett, one of the great investors of all time, the poor and middle class, they work for their money, and the wealthy and the rich have learned to have their money work for you. You can have your money working for you while you're at work. You can still do your 9 to 5 and make some money on the side, even on the hour time frame. Now, on the 15-minute time frame, yes, you do need to pay a little bit more attention to the charts there. But again, you could have gotten in on the 20 EMA there, and you could have opened up a short position at 254 and rode it all the way down to like 236, 235 there. Would have been some good areas to take profit. There was a Fibonacci there actually at 235, 236. So that would have been your take profit zone for there. Let's put that Fibonacci in there. 235, it's hard when you go the other way. Look, it stopped right at the Fibonacci there. Okay, so that just shows you. And so again, look, you could have opened your position and closed it there, but you could also, and now of course the market is going up at the moment, so it may not be a good idea to short right now, short the market. But you can see how turning your chart upside down can turn your world upside down, and you can make money as the market goes down there. And of course, you can take trades off the 20 EMA. You could open a trade here at midnight Eastern Standard Time, and you could have rode it down to about 2 hours later and taken some profits a couple of hours later there. So there are definitely some good trades to be had there, whether you're trading on the short time frame, the medium, or the longer term time frames. You can make money in this market. It's not just for professional day traders and people do it full time for a job. You can learn how to do this. We have so many people coming into the Discord from all walks of life, all kinds of trading experience, from little to no trading experience, learning how to make money on the way down. Again, if you know how to buy, so you might buy here and then sell here. You can learn how to buy here and open up a short and sell there to make money to the downside. You're able to do it. It's possible. You can learn how to do it. We teach you how to do it. I'm passionate about helping people make money no matter what direction the market is moving. Isn't it a wonderful thing that you can just open up your phone here and you literally can click a button and make money, and you don't have to wait for the market to turn. Okay, you don't have to wait for the market. Let's invert this back the other way. You can make money here. Oh, what's support? What can we buy? I get asked this all the time. Great questions. Yeah, buy at 235 and you can sell it up here at 247, with the 200 EMA on the 15-minute time frame. Boom. You can buy that move, but you can also make money on this move here. And when the market has been doing this for so long, there is much more money. I'll go to the daily here, go to the weekly chart. There is so much more money to be made to the downside. And you can still make money on these little rips here, these tiny little moves. And we saw one just recently as it came down to this level and pushed up, from 235 to 247. You can make that little bout of money there. But look how much more money is to be made way more money to the downside at the moment in this market. And we don't have much more downside. We could go a lot lower than this. And of course, at some point, there is going to be a bear market. And some of you might say, hey, we're already in a bear market. Well, then all the more to learn how to make money as we go down, because that just means we're going to continue to go to the downside. Well, that's going to be it for today. Again, thanks for tuning in. And of course, until the next episode, or until I see you in the Discord, in the disco, there's a bit of a disco there. A lot of fun being had because people are making money. So until I see you in the Discord, of course, learning how to turn your chart upside down so you can turn your world upside down. Happy trading.